We need to show respect and politeness when we communicate with elders, teachers, and authoritative people. Sometimes, even with friends and people of same age, we use polite but less formal ways of asking for permission. Asking permission builds safety by showing respect. People naturally place a high value on us. Let us learn to ask for permission very politely. You can use may I. May I is the most correct way to ask for permission in traditional English. Use may I with any base form of verb. For example, may I come in? May I drink this coffee? May we go home now? Can I? We do not use can for permission. For example, can I come in is a wrong way of asking permission. The normal use of can is to describe ability and opportunity. I will show you some example sentences which shows ability and opportunity. Sentence 1. I can speak French. Sentence 2. We can travel on the bus when we visit London. Instead of using can I, you can prefer using could I in sentences. I can is informal, whereas I could is more of formal. Could I? So you can use could I with any base form of verb. Example, could I bring your pencil? It's hot in here. Could I open the window? Do you mind if? Use do you mind if with present simple tense. Do you mind if I join you? Do you mind if I call you later? Is it alright if? Is it alright if is common in informal spoken English but almost very similar to what we have learned earlier, that is, do you mind if? But is it already if is another way of asking. Now let us use is it alright if in simple present tense. Is it alright if I bring a friend with me? We can also say okay instead of alright. Use is it okay if with present simple tense. Is it okay if I finish them tomorrow? Now let us learn to give permission to someone. When someone asks you for permission to do something, you can say, sure, no problem. Of course, go ahead. Yes, that's fine with me. Yes, that's fine by me. Yes, of course you can. Yes, feel free. Let us learn to give permission reluctantly. Let me teach you the meaning of reluctant, unwilling and hesitant. Giving permission reluctantly means that we don't want to say yes, but at times when we would prefer to say no. Let me bring you to a scenario where you are asked for a permission by your employee to leave early from office. May I leave the office early today? Assume yourself to be the manager of the office. Now, if any of your employee has asked you this question, may I leave the office early today? Then you can give answer as yes, I suppose so. Yes, if you must. Let us learn to say no in a polite manner. How can we say no to someone or refuse them something politely without offering them or being rude to them? So that is what we are going to learn in these phrases. I'm afraid that's not possible. I'm terribly sorry, but the answer is no. I'm going to have to say no, sorry. Hope this video served your need. Render your support by subscribing the channel. Thank you. Follow us on Instagram.